So 1, 2, 3, and 4 right below. All right, fantastic. Good luck to you. Do you have any preferences how you want me to open them? Which ones do you want me to open first? You want to do the tech first? All right. Oh, we got a high-tech baseball. There. All right. Right off the bat, we got Chipper Jones. We got a rookie here, Michael Franco. He could be a really nice player for the Phillies. We got Mr. Clayton Kershaw. There we go. Now the camera will focus. We have a purple Mark Grace. Nice card. Here's for my Seattle fan in the other room. Edgar Martinez. Here's a little bit of throwback. There's an autograph. Carlos Delgado. Lots of throwbacks in this one. There's a Craig Biggio. Here's a nice rookie card of Mr. Addison Russell. All right. It's a solid pack there. Got the Delgado autograph. Not bad. Not bad. Gonna go with the other tech next. All right, here the boss. Put a new blade in that thing. Another high tech. Let's see what we get here. All right. Al Leiter. I see you're a baseball fan. Who are you a fan of? Or anybody in particular? Here's an Omar Vizquel. You're an Oakland fan, huh? I pulled a really nice Ricky Henderson out of one of these the other night. Maybe we'll get lucky and find another one in here. But not this year. Yeah, they had a tough year. They had pretty high expectations this year. They had a rough year. Hey, I'm a Pirate fan. I know as good as anybody that there's always next year. So. Salvador Perez. Here's number one of 35. Gold. Chris Sale. It's a nice card there. I pulled an auto of this gentleman out in the last one. Mr. George Springer. Nice card. All right. Oh, we got a redemption. A high-tech autograph of Byron Buxton. Redemption. That's the first redemption I've pulled out of these tag techs. There's a Roberto Alomar. Here's a nice throwback. Okay, I can pick it up. Frank Robinson. There you go. Not a bad couple of boxes there. Got that Delgado. Got the Buxton redemption. Not bad at all. Are you ready for the triple threads? I got a stupid question. I know you're ready for that.